Hello 415 class, and welcome to week 2 of our online group class Music on Brio videos. I hope you're all doing well. I miss you. Today we are going to be working on Arran boat song, Minuet 1, and La Cucaracha. So as always, I will do these songs in the order that they appear in the Music on Brio repertoire. So if you only know one or two of them, that's fine. You are welcome to go on and watch the whole video, or you can just rewind and watch and play the songs that you know. So we're going to start with Arran Boat Song, and we haven't played this one in a long time. So you might want to get out your sheet music for this one. Arran Boat Song has a different kind of sort of rhythmic pattern than we're used to. It's got a dotted rhythm. And it's in kind of a triple meter. So I'm gonna just play it for you because I have a feeling many of you may not remember it. So it starts on 1 on the D, and just the A section goes like this. So did you notice that the dotted rhythm is usually long, short, medium, long, short, middle, long, short, middle. And so, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. But one time near the end, it was a short, long. Ba-da-da-da. Yeah? So we've got this rhythm, and then also this one. Make sure that you distinguish between those two rhythms when you're playing that song, okay? Arran Boat Song is kind of a longer tune, and I'd like us to do it with the repeats. So the A section is twice, and then there's kind of a longer B and like an A prime that then also happens twice. So like I said, if you don't remember Arran Boat Song, go ahead and see if you can get out your music, and you can clap and pluck and air bow, any of those things along with me as I play it. But I'm going to go ahead and play the whole song now. So again, it starts 1 on the D string, and it's in the key of D. So here is your introduction. Take our nice bow. Good. Be sure to stretch your back out. Take a nice breath. Reel your shoulders up a little bit. Breathe. So that one, because it's in D, it does have high 2s on every string except the E string, and it does have then low 2s on the E. So like I said, feel free to go back, count and clap that one, sing and pluck, sing an air bow if you want, and then play along with me. All right, next we are going to review Minuet 1, and obviously we spent a lot of time with Minuet 3 for our concert just earlier this month, but it's been quite a while since we've really talked about Minuet 1. So a few things that I want to talk about with Minuet 1. First of all, like all minuets, it is in the time signature of, yes, 3/4. All minuets are in 3/4 time. Dance music, as you know, is always defined by its rhythm, and different types of dances have time signatures that they always go with. So minuets are always in 3. And Minuet 1 has an up, up that happens twice in the very first line. So let me demonstrate this for you. Just the first line of music. Y'all remember that? Those ups, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, great. The other isolation spot I want to talk about is a place where I want you to leave your 3 down to help your 4 find its spot. Okay, so we're going to pluck this one. And just watch first. This is where we're going to go 3, low 2, 1, A, and then 3 on the D. We're going to leave your 3 down on the D. Stretch your 4 to the 4th finger tape on the A string. 4, and then lift both of those up to play low 2. Low 2, 1, A, 3. So the pattern is the same both times, except the first time it starts with 3, and the second time it starts with 4. I'll do it all together. Ready, set, go. 3, low 2, 1, A, 3, 4. Low 2, 1, A, 3. Let's do it together a couple times. Ready, set, go. 3, low 2, 1, A, 3, 4. Low 2, 1, A, again, 3. Low 2, 1, A, 3, 4. Low 2, 1, A, 3. Okay, very nice. Then in the B section, there's the same thing, but on E and A. 3, sorry. Yeah, it is. It's exactly the same thing. 3, low 2, 1, E, 3, 4. Low 2, 1, E, 3. Okay, so same thing as before, but just now on E and A. 3 on the E, low 2, 1, E, 3, 4. Low 2, 1, E, 3. Okay, and then high 2, A, high 2, 3. Okay, so the other thing I want to mention is that Minuet 1 is in the key of G major, like our other minuets so far have been. And like our other minuets, the B section switches to D major. Now, we've learned some special words for those key signatures and relationships, and I just want to review them now. Do you remember the name of the kind of home note? Yeah, it's the tonic. The tonic in this case is G. We're in the key of G major. And so the first note of the G major scale is G, and G is the most important note. So the 5th note of the G major scale, G, A, B, C, D, is called the dominant, okay? And the dominant is the most likely modulation destination. In other words, the dominant is where we are most likely to go if we change key center in the middle of the piece. And indeed, we do go to D major in the B section, okay? We know that because we have an accidental in the B section, and that accidental is C sharp. C sharp is the leading tone to D. And so C sharp, we call that tonicization. C sharp tonicizes D. In other words, it makes a D our new tonic. So while we're in the B section, we have C sharps. And then when we get to the C section, it goes back to C natural, which tells us we have gone back to the key of G. All right, everybody. So Minuet 1, the form is A, B, C, B, C. We will take the repeats. Watch out for the bow circles. Again, this is another one that we haven't really done much with. So if you have your music, you might want to go ahead and get that out. Take a look at it. Feel free to pluck and sing along, count and clap, sing an air bow. All those are really great ways to practice. But if you are ready to play, we will go ahead and play it now. I will play you an introduction. Ready, go. Repeat. go on to the B section, which is, remember, in D major. So with C sharps, C sharp. Back to C natural. Very nice, everybody. All right, last but not least today, we're going to take a look at La Cucaracha. Now, as you may know, if you have worked on La Cucaracha with me, this is not quite the version of La Cucaracha that many of you are used to. This version of La Cucaracha has a surprise. It's in 3/4 time. The version of La Cucaracha that most of us are used to is in 4/4 time. So this means these rhythms are not exactly what we are expecting, okay? So first, I'm actually just going to play it, and I would like you to just listen and see if you can kind of count along so that you can have an expectation in your mind of what these rhythms should sound like. It's just familiar enough to be a little confusing, I know. So now let's count and clap it together, okay? If you've got your music, feel free to get that out. So it starts with TTs. Ready, set, go. T, 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 ta, half note. T, 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 ta, half note. T, 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 ta, half note. T, 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 ta, T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta, half note. T, 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 half note. Sorry, Tim. T, 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 ta, T, 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 ta, half note. T, 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 dotted half. Okay, great. Now, one thing that often trips people up is the slurs. Okay, so in the B section, which we might call the chorus or the refrain, the part that we all know as La Cucaracha, La Cucaracha, I'm going to do some slurs to make this come out on the right bows. So watch. This is the A section. Now I'm going to slur this to the first note of the B section. Again, slur. Slur. You see those slurs? Let's sing and air bow this, my friends. It's just tricky enough, okay? So, ready, set, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 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 Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. All right, now I think you're ready to play it with me. All right, so here we go. Here's your introduction. Ready, set, go. Okay, great job, everybody. Thank you so much. So, synchronized bow. Thank you so much for watching and playing along with me. I hope that you are enjoying playing your violin during all your extra time at home, and that you're all staying well and healthy. And I miss you, and I hope to be able to see you again soon. Bye for now.